Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we are looking at your workbook here, page 38, lesson 37, journeys. So this is a reading passage and then the questions. You would find this in your exam paper. This is the reading part where they give you a text and you will have to answer some questions. Usually in an exam they would say here something like it must only include 3 words, at least 3 words ataupun 5 words, depends on the questions. Tapi for this one there's no such instructions. So jom kita tengok benda ni Okay, so text ni kebiasaannya, the usual thing that you would do is you read the text and then you answer the questions. Okay, but today let's go through the questions first and then find the answer in the text without reading the text. We'll do something a bit different today. Okay, and at the same time you are still able to dapat what the text is about. Okay, let's look at the first one. The length of the Qinghai Tibet Railway is, so dia minta the length. Length ini adalah panjang. Qinghai Tibet Railway. So jom kita cari something yang ada, perkataan-perkataan yang ada dalam ni teks ni. Okay, the Qinghai Tibet Railway, sini ya, Qinghai Tibet Railway is the world's highest railway. So running about 1956 kilometers. The train take travelers high into the mountains, going past glaciers, lakes and pretty villages. Okay, if you notice, kat sini ada length. Length ni panjang. Panjang dia berapa? Dia cakap Qinghai Tibet Railway ni berapa panjang dia. So kat sini dia mention dah. It's 1956 kilometers. That's the answer. Copy balik je. Okay, next. The second one. The final destination. Final destination of the train ride. So final destination ni adalah tempat terakhir. Destinasi terakhir train ni adalah, okay, cuba cari something. Among the highlights traveller will expect to visit the highlights here. The train route starts from Xining in Qinghai province. So dia cakap train perjalanan train ni dia start daripada Xining in Qinghai. Dia mula. Okay, kita nak tahu dia punya hujung kat mana. And reaches Lhasa in about 20 hours and 55 minutes. Cuba baca next sentence, ada kena mengena lagi tak? Okay, tak ada dah. So dia start dengan Xining and reaches, dia sampai Lhasa in about 20 hours and 55 minutes. So Lhasa ni adalah the final destination. So the answer is Lhasa. Make sure you spell it correctly. Lhasa. Sebab bila you don't spell it correctly, you tak dapat markah. Terus salah kalau salah je. Okay, next one. Number 3. The oxygen supply system on the train is to prevent passengers from getting. Prevent passengers. Ini keyword dia. Keyword dia tu saya tanda sebenarnya. Senang nak cari. Okay, so kita cari oxygen supply. Dah nampak dah sebenarnya. Okay, so let's read this sentence. As the railway line goes up to places over 5,000 meters above sea level, each Qinghai Tibet train is equipped with an oxygen supply, dia kata. Okay, the oxygen supply system. Dia nak tahu dia tujuan dia untuk prevent passengers from getting apa? That increases the oxygen in the cabin when the train climbs up to protect passengers from high altitude sickness. Okay, so from getting high altitude sickness. From getting, nampak tak? From sini, tapi getting from high altitude sickness. So untuk elakkan sakit-sakit sakit-sakit disebabkan oleh high altitude. Bila you naik high altitude, kadang-kadang ada certain orang dia akan dikurang oksigen, dia akan sesak nafas. So this oxygen supply ni help with that kind of sickness. Okay, next, number 4. What color is the Karhan salt bridge? Karhan salt bridge, sorry. Cuba cari Karhan salt bridge. Ya, dah. Ke atas. Karhan salt bridge, white. Okay. Number 5. Why do you need to book in advance? Book in advance. Where's the book in advance? Yes, book in advance. Okay, it is best to book in advance as tickets are snapped up quickly. Okay, the answer is here. Tickets are snapped up quickly. Tickets are... sorry here as well. This one should be capital letter T. Next one. Number 6. Okay, this one is quite hard. You have to go through, macam kena baca satu, and then tengok kataan mana yang you rasa sesuai, boleh gantikan dengan perkataan dalam ni. Okay, satu, dia bukan trik sebenarnya, satu tips lah saya rasa yang jadi adalah tengok perkataan yang pelik-pelik sikit. Perkataan yang pelik-pelik, tapi tak semestinya tu jawapan lah selalunya, tapi kadang-kadang perkataan yang pelik-pelik ni mungkin jawapan dia. Tapi make sure you, bila you dah dapat satu perkataan tu, try to tukar, jadi tak. Okay, contohnya, okay, this one, the first word ni covered ni macam menutupi. Okay, so you have to do, sebenarnya memang you have to read one by one, tengok satu word. Okay, and then contohnya kan, okay, jawapan dia sebenarnya dekat sini. Okay, glaze UV coated windows. Coated is the answer. Okay, nampak macam ni jawapan dia, try gantikan covered. Glaze UV covered windows protect against high altitude rays and the temperature in the train is regulated. So bila coated ni ganti dengan covered, meaning dia tak berubah. So that's the answer, coated. Ada certain, kalau contohnya you katakan, you tengok baca, you rasa macam glacier ni pelik, tak tahu, tapi cuba gantikan. The train takes traveller into the mountain, going past covered lakes. Tak kena, sebab glacier ni sebenarnya adalah glacier lah, satu benda kita panggil, it's a noun. Okay, next, B. Ni memang a bit tricky lah sebenarnya this part. Okay, provided. Each Qinghai Tibet train is equipped ni is provided with an oxygen supply. Dia disediakan, equip ni disediakan lah, ada sediakan, dia ada kat situ. Okay, next, C. Ahead of time. Okay, this one is quite easy. Ahead of time ni meaning awal daripada masa. Ni dah ada, kita dah buat tadi sebenarnya. Book in advance. Bukan book ni tempah. So yang ni ahead of time, in advance. So I wish you in advance. So dia wish dulu. Okay, this one is sebab dah pernah buat kan, so nampak jawapan kat situ. Okay, number 7. What kind of luggage is best to bring along when taking the Qinghai misalnya H kat sini, Tibet Railway? Why? So dia ada one question, the second question, why? So tengok something related to luggage, related to bags. Okay, dia kat sini. Okay, pack as light as you can as the corridors of the trains are narrow. Pack as light ni something related to luggage. Bila you bawa bag, make sure you pack as light, bawa sedikit je barang as you can as the corridors of the trains are narrow. So So dia kata bawa barang sikit je, koridor train tu narrow ni sempit. Okay, so what kind of luggage, bag macam mana yang paling sesuai untuk naik train ni? So it's best for you to bring, kalau nak bawa luggage yang tarik tu tak sesuai lah, so it's best, I think it's best for you to bring backpack. But it's up to you sebenarnya, whatever jawapan yang you nak jawab, as long as nampak you pack light. You boleh bawa luggage, you boleh bawa backpack. Maybe you prefer to bring your tote bag ke. Okay, and then why you nak bring backpack? Tadi tu sebab because the corridors of the trains are narrow. Because the corridors of the train are narrow. Okay, so if you notice, you tak baca pun teks tu. Tapi kalau nak lebih faham, actually it's better for you to read lah sebenarnya. Tapi if you notice, while we were going through the answers, we actually read. Okay, so basically kalau you nak you dapat tangkap tadi, actually the text is about King Hai Tibet Railway ni. Dia punya panjang dia lalu kat mana, and then dia ada what kind of equipment dia ada, and then you nak kena pack apa, kena book in advance. Okay, this is one of the ways to do it lah. But one of the ways to save time. Okay, but if you were to read pun seronok sebenarnya baca pasal King Hai Tibet Railway ni. So that's all for today. Don't forget to fill in your attendance. Take care. Bye bye.